Alright, hi. What we will be talking about today is the points which are a part of the MUN Rules of Procedure or ROP. So there are actually four kinds of points as per the UNA USA procedure. The first point is the point of personal privilege. As the name suggests, it is something which is causing you physical discomfort or you require on a personal level. So it may be something like you want water, you require the AC to be turned down, it's too hot, it's too cold. This is the only point which can interrupt another speaker while they are speaking. However, please try to refrain from using things like you require water during a speaker's speech. What you can actually use while another speaker is speaking is if you can't hear that speaker. So suppose someone is saying something which you cannot hear, of course you'd want to use a point of personal privilege and say the delegate of, say, France is unable to hear what the delegate of Spain is saying. So that is the use of a point of personal privilege in the middle of another speaker's speech. The second point is a point of parliamentary inquiry. There are a lot of first-time MUNers who will be coming in for this conference and it is especially useful for them. A point of parliamentary inquiry is basically any kind of doubt that a particular delegate may be having regarding how procedure is taking place. So how to introduce a moderated caucus, how to introduce any kind of paperwork, what is going to happen next in the GSL, what a special speakers list is in the first place. All these questions regarding procedure, about rules of procedure is going to be raised in the form of a point of parliamentary inquiry. This and the other points, except for a point of personal privilege, are all suspended during moderated caucuses. They are only applicable during formal debate, which is, you will have seen in some of the other videos, formal debate essentially means the general speakers list. It's not there in informal debate, which is a moderated caucus, or for that matter, an unmoderated caucus. So a point of parliamentary inquiry thus is any kind of doubts that a person would have regarding procedure. Third is a point of order. According to UNA USA rules of procedure, technically a point of order is only a mistake in rules of procedure. However, most MUNs, including probably this one, depending on the discretion of your executive board, would be molding that also to include factual errors in a particular delegate's speech. Factual errors, by the way, do not cover beliefs and opinions. So today, if I am the delegate of China and I say that I believe that Beijing is the capital of India, there is no point of order on that because that is my belief. Or the delegate of China, in the opinion of the delegate of China, Beijing is the capital of India, again not a point of order. Only if it's a statement whereby I, being the delegate of China, say that Beijing is the capital of India, there may be a point of order, delegate of China, Beijing is not the capital of India, which would hold. The fourth point is usually not used like any of the other points. It's called a point of information. It is only used as a yield in a general speakers list and a special speakers list, which will be done in other videos. This is in the form of a question that may be there in a particular speaker's speech if that speaker finishes speaking before time. This, however, will be covered further in details when yields are done in another video.